Today is Wednesday in Bruges, and there's a market going on in the square. We're gonna go check it out.
This time we have a hotel, so sketchy grapes can get washed.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Busy.
Yeah. Cheese? You like cheese?
More cheese.
More cheese.
It's cheese from
Meat's got jam.
Flowers? Would you like some flowers?
No. I'd like a fruit.
I'm right here.
That's good.
Yeah.
Bananas are
Look at
huge.
the size of them.
I know, those look good. What do you see?
Rotisserie chicken.
Oh wow, that looks good.
Oh wow. Yeah, a whole chicken for 13, 8 to 13 rounds.
You want one? Oh, those are so cute. Oh. Did you want chicken?
I could totally devour a chicken.
Yeah, they smell good.
Yeah.
It could be cheap eats today. Oh, look at
Yeah.
that. You want to go take that home and grow it?
I don't know if we can get it home.
No, we can't. Look at this one.
Yeah.
Or the little one.
I like the little.
Those look good. Right there.
That's all. 6 together, please.
Jim wants chicken. And I thought we'd just get pieces of chicken. Like, or you want the whole thing?
One chicken?
one of the chicken. You want me to cut it
Yes, please.
in half or in four?
Half.
Just in half.
Got me a whole chicken to split with Valerie.
And I got
And it fits in a bag.
bananas and strawberries.
Strawberries.
Let's go look a little bit before we head out back. Put this back.
This is what a farmer's market should be like. This is amazing.
I mean, yeah. I mean, I find these things and I get so happy.
I know.
My quest was to find fruits and vegetables today.
Yep.
So I got it.
It worked.
Yeah. There's tomatoes.
Maybe you're a little better.
Nope, there's no tomatoes. Oh, there's little tomato.
Oh, there is.
Ooh, hazelnuts. Come here. Those are cute little pineapples.
Yeah.
What are you gonna do with a chicken in a hotel room?
I'm gonna dance with the chicken.
We have no napkins.
There's napkins downstairs.
You gonna grab some?
Little markets are amazing.
So for like less than 20 euro, we got lunch and snack for a walk, and he comes home with chicken.
A whole chicken.
Only Jim would buy a chicken.
Okay, folks. So I put my chicken away for the day,
Jim put his chicken away. It's
and
good. It's good
now
for
we're
lunch
gonna
now.
go try to see Christ's blood.
We're going to the church. Come on. And we're trying not to be seen by the carriage driver.
Ah, well.
When in Bruges.
So we were walking through here last night.
Yeah, we walked through here. Then Jim got scared because he thought vampires were out chasing him. And it was just some lady with some high heels on, and she was walking fast, and then he kept looking and he was scared.
She had two big dudes with him too.
Yeah.
With her. No, with him. Two dudes.
And you got scared, didn't you?
No.
A little bit.
A little bit.
Let's join somebody's group.
Alright. Hey, you got a sticker? So it's all part of the exploring?
The dead pigeon.
No. Dead dove.
It was a dove.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, I know, it's sad.
Oh.
But it's part of all the exploring is getting lost. So that way you don't really know what you're getting into until you get into it.
I have some goals this week. I took a little screenshot of my watch and steps and stuff.
Yeah.
And I have a weekly goal. We're gonna like go hard this last week.
Folks, she's trying to kill me.
We did like a lot of miles yesterday and the day before. So I was like, we're on a 2-day streak. Let's go for a whole 7 days.
All these white walled apartments.
Kind of cool over here.
It's kind of eerie. Really interesting, different styles of houses through here, how they've been redone. Take them out. He'll get calmed down. Okay, there's the...
Look at she's sweeping on everybody.
Oh, she is. Yeah. So we're not really lost.
No, we never were.
I know. We made it to the wall where the nunnery is. And pretty much we don't want to go outside of the wall. So we're walking back. We are walking back a different direction.
We're gonna take a break soon.
Yeah, we're almost to the hotel. There's the cathedral. So,
Well, because it gets so busy.
yeah.
We'll let it thin out.
It has gotten a lot busier. But it's not a bad morning for a Wednesday. We might do that later
Maybe.
after it kind of thins out a little bit. Yeah,
Pretty.
it is.
It's only like €12.
Yeah. Those are really cool. I was wrong. We came out in front of the bell tower. I got turned around. Because this way is to the hotel.
There's the market.
And here's the market.